G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Delonghi Eletta Explore. So I'm quite excited to see what this machine looks like and what it offers. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I've reviewed Delonghi coffee machines, automatic coffee machines before. In particular, I most recently reviewed the Eletta, which I thought was excellent. And this is stepping it up again. The Eletta Explore is at the higher end of the automatic coffee machines range for Delonghi. But you only get to unbox it once, so let's do it on camera. And then you can look forward to my review soon. I've got a feeling this is going to be a box within a box, but let's have a look. It is. How am I going to get that out? We'll lower this. It's quite heavy actually. Oh, come on, come out. All right, did it. So there we go. Let's have a look inside. So make sure you definitely get over to the channel and check out my Eletta review, because that, at the price point which it is, which is $16.99, I thought was really good. So this has a lot to live up to, especially because it's a bit more of an investment. Okay. So we'll get everything out and take a look at what is inside. You can see the machine there, pretty nicely padded with cardboard, not foam, which I am a big fan of because I hate disposing of foam and I hate doing what it does to the environment. All right, let me just get this out. It's getting stuck on something, sorry. Why is it getting stuck on? There we go. So obviously, you don't usually have to do it in such an uncomfortable way, but I'm doing it on camera. Okay, now I found the reason why it was getting stuck. Because the power cable is already in the machine and got stuck on the cardboard. Need a drink after that. Okay, so you can see that cardboard padding around the outside, it's pretty neat. Box is still really heavy, so a lot of the weight must have been in the actual box. Okay, let's get straight into the actual machine. Much bigger than a Eletta. Kind of more similar shape to the Philips 5400, which I've also done a review of on the channel. Quite tall, isn't it? That'd be interesting. Completely different hopper system. Much more similar to the Philips than the actual Eletta. It's very, very interesting. It's got a better angled front, which I like. See-through glass with the water tank. Big hopper. All right, kind of plasticky feeling. All right, well, we'll dive into more of that. Obviously, I'm going to be doing a full review on the channel in due course after I've used it for a while. I'll usually use it for at least a month. See how it goes. What do we got here? Oh, look at that. Comes with a, I wonder if that's standard. That's cool. Really nice cup. Does it fit though? That's one of the pain points often is they don't fit. Well, there you go. That's interesting. The provided mug does not seem to fit. So a little bit of plastic wrapping that up. That's what we've got in there. Into here. So that's our milk frother. So again, very different shape and design to what we saw in the River Lea. So I'm really intrigued to see how it goes because I thought, like I said, the River Lea did really well. Oh, look at that. They've done the actual heights in black this time so you can actually see them, even with my terrible eyes. Already winning. Okay, what have we got in here? That's interesting, 2. So this looks like it's a different shaped variant of the same thing. So I wonder what the go is there. Latte crema hot, latte crema cool. There we go, so that must be for your cold brews. Very interesting, okay. And in here, let's have a look, do you want to come over? Welcome to the world of coffee. Okay, we've got, sorry, my eyes are so bad. I can't see what that is, a descaler? The looks of it. Little scoop. I did notice that looks like it's probably a ground coffee spot. So you can put instant, I guess, in there or something that's pre-ground elsewhere with a different grinder if you've got another type of grinder. That's obviously part of the spout system. Well, not obviously, but it is. So that might just be for hot water or something not involving milk. And then here we got, so that'll be the water, that's for your water tank. And there's something else in here. Well, it looks like an ice cube thing. So there we go. So that must be cold brews. Must be a big part of the journey here. Maybe that's for your freezer. So look, it looks like they've included everything you could possibly need here. So it's interesting because the River Lea came with 2 hoppers. This has come with 2 milk frothers, and a whole bunch of paperwork here, which we will go through later on. Roasting scale, that's cool. Standard manuals, warranties, lots of bits and pieces. Okay, well there we go. Whew, tiring. So there's an unboxing of the Delonghi Eletta Explore. Like I said, keep an eye on the channel. There will be a review going through very, very soon, and I am really quite excited to actually see how this performs because the River Lea was awesome and this is supposed to be even better. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check out my other videos, including quite a lot of content around automatic coffee machines and coffee machines in general, so check all that out. I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'll check you later. You.